Hey gang, in the next episode of our video series and course, we're going to go through a really quick lecture about computing devices and the IoT or Internet of Things. Let's go straight into it. So IoT, simply put, is the devices that connect to the internet and all the other devices that it may be connected to. So in 2020, pretty much everything is smart. Everything can connect to the internet. They have refrigerators, home appliances that can connect to the internet. It'll tell you when you're running low on milk. It'll tell you when something has expired. It'll actually, some of them are actually connected to different stores, whether it's Amazon or Kroger, and it'll actually order the food for you, and it'll be at your doorstep. But some of these are the list of devices that would be considered part of the Internet of Things family. So like I said, home appliances, we got smart washers and dryers as well, home automation devices, things that refrigerator would be considered automation because it automatically, that's all automation is, when it does something automatically without any intervention from you, right? So it'll order the milk, it'll order the eggs, it'll order whatever you need, and it'll show up at your doorstep. You got thermostats. You got thermostats to where you can have an app on your phone. You can turn the temperature up, turn the temperature down, or if you forgot to turn the heat off, you forgot to turn the stove off, you can turn these things off through the Internet of Things. Security systems, we pretty much know that. You can lock the doors, unlock the doors, make the alarm sound, look at the webcam through your cell phone or through other devices. Monitoring cars, that's another thing. As far as Tesla has what is it called? I want to say it's called valet, where the car will come to you. It'll park itself, and there's a lot of other cars as well that'll do that now. I can't think of nothing, but Tesla is what's coming to mind right now. IP cameras, we already know what IP stands for. It's just IP addressing. So when I was saying those security systems, that would pretty much, a security system would be part of the IP cameras, right? So you can actually look at things. Streaming media devices, so that's Fire Sticks, that's things like that, right? Medical devices, that's another thing that is a part of Internet of Things, whether it's something personal, where it's maybe something that monitors your insulin levels and it say, hey man, it's time for you to take your insulin, or it can actually send a notification to your doctor like, hey, this person's heartbeat is irregular, so on and so forth. So, but the Internet of Things, it makes your life easier, right? A lot easier. Now, when we get into more difficult courses or more complex courses, we'll talk about the security aspect that needs to be a part of all these things. So you don't only have the convenience, but you also have the security. But we're actually going to touch on that a little bit later in this course. But if you want to get inside of a cybersecurity course, you know where to go. But real quick, like I was saying, Internet of Things, there's going to be a list of things that we're talking about. What's something else? In the comments, drop something else that would be part of the IoT or Internet of Things, and tell me what it does and why you think it's a part of the Internet of Things. All right, gang. So if you're not part of the course, shame on you. Head over to the itmasterkey.com website and enroll into the IT for Beginners to get all that you need to get. But if you don't want to do that, shame on you. I don't know why you wouldn't. At least, goddamn, like this video and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in class.